Imagine this, where in just a few months you could be making an extra 50,000 rupees each month, and all it takes is one smart decision. You don't need special skills, tons of free time, or a huge investment. Today, I'm sharing 10 easy side hustles you can start right now in 2024. Stick around till the end because hustle number 10 might just change your life. Seriously, let's get started. 1. Freelance writing. Businesses are paying top dollar for people to write blogs, articles, or on social media content. And guess what? You don't need a degree to get started. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are your gateway to earning cash from home. Set your own hours and you can easily make anywhere from 5,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. If you've been writing long WhatsApp messages for free, it's time to get paid. 2. Food or grocery delivery. Next, food and grocery delivery with apps like Swiggy or Zomato. This is one of the easiest and most flexible side hustles out there. You can work on your own time and the tips are a great bonus. Just imagine you can make an extra 10,000 to 15,000 rupees a month just by delivering in your free hours. But hold on, hustle number 3 might be even easier and more rewarding. 3. Online tutoring. Ever thought about getting paid for what you already know? Online tutoring is booming and platforms like Chegg or Teachment are always looking for people to teach subjects like math, science, or even languages. Keep up students all over the world and the best part, you don't need to be a professional teacher. What would you do with an extra 20,000 rupees from just a few hours of teaching each week? 4th. Virtual assistants. Speaking of helping, small business owners are always looking for virtual assistants to manage emails, schedule appointments, and handle admin tasks. Can do this from home with no special training. Freelance platforms like Freelancer and Upwork have plenty of gigs. And trust me, you're already qualified if you can manage your own emails. 5. Dropshipping. Now, if you're looking to make money while you sleep, dropshipping is the way to go. You can sell products online without ever touching them. A third-party supplier ships them straight to your customers. It's as easy as setting up a store, marketing, and watching sales come in. Perfect for those looking for passive income. But wait till you hear about hustle number 6. It might be the most creative one yet. 6. Selling digital products. Have a creative side. You can sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or design elements on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. The best part is, once you create it, it keeps making money for you. Imagine waking up to new sales every day for something you only made once. Not quite magic, but it sure feels like it. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great side hustle. You promote products through links, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Sites like Amazon or Flipkart make it easy to start. You don't need a huge following, just a passion for sharing products you believe in. And if you think this is simple, wait until you hear about hustle number 8. 8. Pet sitting, walking. For animal lovers, pet sitting or walking can be a fun way to make extra cash. Apps like Petbacker connect you with people who need help caring for their pets while they're away. It's a great side hustle that not only earns you money but also gives you furry companionship. Win-win. And there you have it. 8 easy side hustles you can start right now in 2024. The question is, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you're serious about making extra income, don't stop here. Check out my video right here where I dive into how to invest that extra money wisely and make it grow. You don't want to miss it.